Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, in the previous lesson, you were given 12 sentences to translate from Urdu into English, and this is the time to give you the feedback. This is translation, simple present tense, active voice, Urdu into English. This is the sentence number 1. मैं तैरना जानता हूँ. I know how to swim. Second sentence. हम बैंक से हर रोज़ रुपया निकलवाते हैं. We withdraw money from the bank daily. Number 3. तुम झूठे बहाने बनाते हो. You make lame excuses. Sentence number 4. आप शाम को सैर के लिए नहीं जाते. You do not go for a walk in the evening. Next sentence. अच्छे लड़के दूसरों को गाली नहीं देते. Good boys do not abuse others. Sentence number 6. वो मेरी बात नहीं सुनता. He does not listen to me. Sentence number 7. क्या वो अपने किए पर शर्म महसूस करता है? Does he feel ashamed of his deed? Sentence number 8. क्या आपकी बेटी बड़ों का एहतराम करती है? Does your daughter respect the elders? Next sentence. Sentence number 9. कपड़े का ताजिर कम नाप क्यों देता है? Why does the cloth merchant give short measure? Next sentence number 10. This is परिंदे कब चहचहाते हैं? When do the birds chirp? Sentence number 11. क्या वो अपनी गलती मानता है? Does he admit his mistake? Last sentence. तुम साइकिल खरीदने पर इसरार क्यों करते हो? Why do you insist to buy a cycle? Dear students, this is the end of this lesson. Dear students, this is our new lesson, simple past tense. I have made a table for you to explain affirmative sentences. This is table number 1. He solved the sum. She solved the sum. Ali solved the sum. Hina solved the sum. Similarly, I solved the sum. We solved the sum. You solved the sum. Ali and Hina solved the sum. Dear students, there is no distinction for any one of the doer or subject. We use the past form of verb in simple past tense. In negative sentences, this is he did not solve the sum. Dear students, note the difference. Solved and there is did not solve. In negative sentences, we use did not solve. He did not solve the sum. She did not solve the sum. Ali did not solve the sum. Hina did not solve the sum. I did not solve the sum. We did not solve the sum. You didn't solve the sum. They did not solve the sum. Ali and Hina did not solve the sum. Dear students, this is interactive sentence. This table shows we wrote did in the beginning, and then the doer. Did he, with first present form of the verb, did he solve the sum? Did she solve the sum? Did Ali solve the sum? Did Hina solve the sum? Did I solve the sum? Did we solve the sum? Did you solve the sum? Did they solve the sum? Did Ali and Hina solve the sum? The student, we have used did in the beginning and the present form of the verb. Similarly, in the negative interrogative sentences, note it that question word, then did, the doer and present form of the verb, and then the object or receiver. Why did he solve the sum? Why did she solve the sum? Why did Ali solve the sum? Why did Hina solve the sum? Why did I solve the sum? Why did we solve the sum? Why did you solve the sum? Why did they solve the sum? Why did Ali and Hina solve the sum? The students, here I have summarized the previous concept that in positive sentences we use past form. In negative sentences, didn't drink, didn't with present form. In interrogative sentences, did with present form, and in negative interrogative sentences we use question word, then did, and not drink. The students, translation from English into Urdu. I solved the sum easily. The students, first of all we identify the verb, that is solved. Translation, hal kiya. Then we identify the subject. Who solved? I solved. मैंने हल किया. What did I solve? I solved the sum. मैंने सवाल हल किया. And the PTM is easily. मैंने सवाल आसानी से हल किया. Similarly, in negative sentences, I did not solve the sum easily. मैंने सवाल आसानी से हल नहीं किया. Did I solve the sum easily? क्या मैंने सवाल आसानी से हल किया? When did I solve the sum easily? मैंने सवाल आसानी से कब हल किया? And this is translation from Urdu into English. उसने कल सेब खाया. This is the verb. We identify the verb in Urdu, खाया. Translation is the past form of eat, that is ate. खाया, ate. Who ate? Who ate? He ate. उसने खाया, he ate. क्या खाया? उसने सेब खाया. He ate an apple. This is the PTM कल. Yesterday. Next sentence, उसने कल सेब नहीं खाया. नहीं खाया, did not eat. किसने नहीं खाया? उसने नहीं खाया. The subject is उसने. Translation is he. The sentence, he did not eat. क्या नहीं खाया? सेब. The object, an apple, and the time of PTM is yesterday. He did not eat an apple yesterday. Next sentence, क्या उसने कल सेब खाया? This is a interrogative sentence. This is an interrogative sentence. क्या? We have written did in the beginning. Did eat. क्या खाया? किसने? उसने. The subject is he. Did he eat? क्या उसने खाया? The object, that is save an apple. Did he eat an apple? The PTM is कल. Yesterday. Did he eat an apple yesterday? उसने कल सेब कहाँ खाया? Where did he eat an apple yesterday? The students, Now these are the sentences that you will translate. These are 12 sentences. I read for you. हम गाड़ी में सवार हुए। कुत्ते ने खरगोश का ताक़ुब किया। सेंटेंस नंबर 3, उसने अपनी किताब देने से इनकार कर दिया। तुमने अपना वादा पूरा ना किया। सेंटेंस नंबर 5, लोगों ने उस कानून के ख़िलाफ़ एहतजाज ना किया। सेंटेंस नंबर 6, मैंने उसका मजाक ना उड़ाया। सेंटेंस नंबर 7, डॉक्टर ने टीका किसको लगाया। सेंटेंस नंबर 8, क्या तुम्हारे दोस्तों ने तुम्हारी कामयाबी पर मुबारकबाद दी। सेंटेंस नंबर 9, क्या मजिस्ट्रेट ने उसे रंगे हाथों पकड़ लिया। सेंटेंस नंबर 10, उसने कागज़ क्यों फाड़ा। सेंटेंस नंबर 11, मोची ने मेरा जूता मरम्मत क्यों ना किया। लास्ट सेंटेंस, क्या ऑफिसर ने अपना चपरासी तब्दील ना किया। स्टूडेंट्स, these 12 sentences are from your grammar book and I have solved 3 sentences for you. The sentence number 1, उसने अपनी किताब देने से इनकार कर दिया। This is an affirmative sentence. He refused to give his book. लोगों ने उस कानून के ख़िलाफ़ एहतजाज ना किया। People did not protest against that law. Next sentence, that is interrogative sentence. मोची ने मेरा जूता मरम्मत क्यों ना किया। Why did the cobbler not mend my shoe? Students, this was the explanation to the past simple past tense, and now the homework, that is these 12 sentences you will write on your notebook like this. हम गाड़ी में सवार हुए। कुत्ते ने खरगोश का ताक़ुब किया। उसने अपनी किताब देने से इनकार कर दिया। तुमने अपना वादा पूरा ना किया। सेंटेंस नंबर 5, लोगों ने उस कानून के ख़िलाफ़ एहतजाज ना किया। मैंने उसका मजाक ना उड़ाया। क्या तुम्हारे दोस्तों ने तुम्हारी कामयाबी पर मुबारकबाद दी। डॉक्टर ने टीका किसको लगाया। एंड द 9th सेंटेंस नंबर 9, क्या मजिस्ट्रेट ने उसे रंगे हाथों पकड़ लिया। उसने कागज़ क्यों फाड़ा। मोची ने मेरा जूता मरम्मत क्यों ना किया। क्या ऑफिसर ने अपना चपरासी तब्दील ना किया। These are 12 sentences. You will write the sentences with their translation on your notebooks. Okay students, it is enough for today. Now this is a time to say you Allah Hafiz. The students, take care of yourself. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.